Hi, we're going to see how to make Mary for the classroom, or Mary just because you like her, from the entire Mary the Elephant series. So let's get started. Hi, I hope you enjoyed making Mary. Now let's bring Mary to life. Here's how you can introduce Mary to your class. Hi Mary. Hi. You can give Mary a funny voice. Hi Mary.
Hi. Hi everyone. Hi.
Or if you're not comfortable making a funny voice for Mary, she can be a shy character who whispers in your ear. Hi Mary. Hi, nice to meet you too. It's all in the responses. Now, because we've created Mary as a two-sided character, she can always move and you won't miss anything that she does. I hope you have fun talking to Mary and having Mary talk to your class. Bye.